Go.
We're here to celebrate the Kodak printer. I bought a Kodak printer, just so hoping to use the wireless to wirelessly print with the printer. The wireless has never worked on this Kodak printer, and I found out their entire service organization is in India. Great people, very knowledgeable, very helpful, but you can only go through the software fixes so many times before you know that it's hardware and that the printer, the wireless, was never going to work. So I finally came up with a solution for the Kodak printer.
Go.
Here?
Yep.